Hi guys. Whoa, my finger's in the way. So I just decided I want to do a little vlog today. So, I'm gonna be doing this thing where you take a plate and then you take some Peeps and then I'll prop you guys up. You take a plate and then some Peeps and then you put it in the microwave for like a minute or something and then they expand like a lot. So we have some Peeps here. Marshmallow chicks, and I'm just going to put 2 in. And they don't like explode or anything, so it won't make like a mess. And I'm going to put them like far-ish apart. So then they don't stick together. So I'm going to put this in, and then I'll let you guys watch too. Can you guys see in there? Hopefully you can. Oh my god, do you see it? Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god. They're gonna like explode or something. Do you see that? Whoa! Oh my... Do you see that? It just shrunk. Oh my god. Ew! I'm gonna put it back in the microwave for again. Is it gonna... This is so weird. I'm gonna keep it in for the rest of the seconds. Guys, this is so cool. They're so big. No, I stabbed myself with a pencil today. That hurt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. That is weird. Oh my gosh, it's like air. That is weird. So I just wanted to do this really quick vlog for you guys. So peace out.